So I'm doing the rear brakes for the 2017 RAV4 Hybrid. To begin with, make sure you don't have your keys on your body so that you won't accidentally activate the brake system while you're working. You cannot put your impact wrench in here because the space is very tight. The lower caliper screw here is very close to the brake line, so when you're working on it, be careful not to hit the brake line. That I'm not gonna do a complete brake job. I'm just gonna change the pads. I'm not gonna change the rotor because the rotor is, I think, is fine. There's no cracks, no vibration or of any kind. I don't think I need to change that. And the clips are fine. And the most important reason I wanted to do it myself, lubricate the caliper pins. That's the main reason I want to do this job myself. So to take off the caliper bolts, all I needed to use was a 3/8 ratchet and a 14mm with the other. It's a little bit of a struggle, but you can do it. If your ratchet handle is a little longer, it would be a little better. This is maybe about 7 inch, 6-7 inch. So it's doable. And I'm doing what they call a pad slap, meaning I'm not changing the rotor. I'm just changing the pads. So I just pull the pads off, and then I'm gonna match it up with my new pads and put on the clip. This is the wear indicator, squealer they call it. And then I'm gonna transfer the shim. This is the original Toyota shim. Clean it and transfer it to the new one. And you're supposed to put a little bit of grease between the backing plate and the brake pad here. I'll do that, and then I'll put a little grease here between this backing plate and the shim. So this is for this side and this is for the other side. The mounting bracket or the anti-rattle clips I'm gonna keep because this is the original material. It might be better than the new ones, right? It's gonna look very clean. And underneath here, tuck it. It's not rusted on. That's okay. This is stainless steel. This might be rusting a little bit. And of all the videos I've seen, I watched tons of videos on doing brakes for the RAV4. I watched the factory best way of doing the maintenance is not to lubricate this, and only lubricate slide pins. That's the only part you lubricate. And you lubricate this only if there's a problem. It says if you have a service bulletin saying you have to lubricate it, then you lubricate it. Meaning if it's not squealing, if it's not screeching, leave it be. See, it's much cleaner already, right? So you don't really have to change it. For 47,000 miles. There's actually a little tiny bit of grease on the tip there, and I think this actually is working fine. So I'm just gonna clean it and apply some Seal Glide lubricant very thinly and nothing at the tip, and then put it back in.